Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. In today's video, we are bringing you another Airbnb tour. So this is a luxury cottage and it's beautiful. There's so much in it. Enough of talking, I'll show you around. So come on in. The first thing you see once you walk into this cottage is this beautiful living space, and it has like the couch right here and also the single settee right there. It's white, it has this French vibe in it and also vintage vibe in it. There's also the beautiful fireplace which the host was so lovely to leave on before we got here, so the place is already warmed up. We also have our TV right here, which I believe Netflix and all there. But you can tell that so much has been put into this place because of the dried, like you can see this dried flower right here. It's beautiful. There's extra firewood for you right there. You also have the candle at that corner. You have the lamp there, which is, like I said before, it has this French and vintage vibe to it. Just looking at the lamp stand, even when you look at the switches or the light switches, it's a bit of vintage vibe. So yeah, that's the first thing where you see when you walk in. It's cozy. It's not small, it's cozy, but it's nice too. Now on the left, facing me on the left living room is the bedroom, and once you walk into this bedroom again, just like the living space, it is light because of all the shiplap and the white on it. You can tell that a lot has been put into this place. It hasn't just been done lightly, but a lot has been put into this place. Even the rug, it's cozy. It feels warm and soft when you step on the rug. So over here we have a beautiful sized bed. I don't know if this is a king or a queen, but who knows. We have this beautiful bed right here, and also the lamps on the side and the bedside tables. We also have some more dried flowers right here, and on this side, if you look, some more dried flowers. We have candles. You can see that the owner wants you to enjoy your stay. They want you to feel like this is home. They want you to feel like you don't have to leave, basically. But yeah, it also has this window which you can look out if you want to the fields and the mountains up there. And also there's like a storage rack behind the door. So take you to the next spot, which is the dining area. Now, when you walk into the dining area, I love this right here. Once I walked in here, I looked at this. But yeah, you walk into the dining / kitchen area. On the left, you have this storage unit, a cupboard which has plates. You can tell it's very like vintage. The plates left here, everything, just little bits and pieces dropped there, which we're not going to use because we're here for one night, but everything is just has a beautiful touch to it. You can see preserved fruits up there. You can also see the high chair if you have a kid. If you come with a kid, there's a high chair. It's a beautiful one. I don't think I've seen anything like this before, so that's nice. I don't even know if these things are to be used or not to be used, but yeah. We also have down here this picnic basket with like a blanket, cups, heating bottle or thermostat, so you can have picnic at the back, which you see the back in a sec. But yeah, this has been left so that you can enjoy a picnic if you want to just sit in the back. You don't want to go out, you want to cook in maybe and enjoy a picnic at the back here. This has been left here. Now on this side, we have the dining table and the kitchen area. On the dining table, we have the house rules. We also have a bottle of wine which has been left for us, which is very nice, and then you have your fridge, which has been stocked with milk, juice, egg, butter, drinks, if you wish. And then right here we have the stove. We have the cooktop if you'd like to cook, an oven. We also have a coffee machine right there, and some bread and fruits which have been left for us, which is absolutely nice. There's also more dried flower here, which I just love. I love, if you look up here, there's another one. I love the way it just adds to the room. It makes it, like I said, cozy and homey. There's also a sink, some knife sets here, and also this kettle, which I'm guessing is not in use, but just adds to the decor. Just like I said, I'm not sure if I said that before, I'm not sure everything here is to be used, but it adds to the decor, which makes it absolutely beautiful. So I believe this is an old fireplace, not in use. But yeah, we'll go on to the next spot, which is the second room right here, which is opposite the kitchen area. So when you walk into the second room, we have 2 single beds. So I'm guessing if you're here with friends, they could share they could have beds here, or kids rather. They could have their own beds right here. But also there is the nightlight here. You also have this table if you want to put your jewelry or whatever you need to put when you're here. There's also a single seater right here if you like to sit, maybe read a book or do whatever you want to do. And there's storage this way, and we also have these beautiful windows. I'm not sure I showed you before the front room or the living room, but these beautiful windows and drapes on it. It's something that carries around in the house. Now leaving this room, we'll go through a French door. We have a single French door right here. I think it's a French door, but yeah, we have a single French door right here. Watch your step. And when you come down, if you turn right, that's the bathroom. So when you walk in here, you have the bathroom, which is nice. Has been done beautifully. Again, like I said before, I've said that a few times, like just looking around the house, I feel like a lot of touch has been put into this house. I'm sure this place was restored from what it was before. So when you walk into the bathroom, we have the shower right here. We also have a sink right here and a mirror with the body wash, shampoo, conditioner if you wish to do all that. And then you have your towels and extra towels provided for you right here. Then also the toilet right there and this window for you to look outside, which we're going to show you outside in a sec. But yeah, leaving the bathroom opposite it, single French door again, this leads to the laundry area. You have your sink, laundry if you wish to do some washing while you're here, and just lots of space for you to fold your laundry while you're here. But then there's also a plant right here and the watering can. How beautiful is this? Yeah, watering can, like I said, like I must have said a lot of vintage vibes, French vibes to it, some more dry plant right here. Yeah, that's the laundry. And the last spot is the back here. Before we go outside, there's also this area right here which you can hang, I'm sure, your coats if you're coming from outside if it's cold. There's also, I believe, a picnic blanket and a basket right here. Let's go outside. Once you step outside the back door, you are hit with this spectacular view. Green everywhere, rolling hills, a beautiful spot for you to lay out the picnic blanket and enjoy some time in the peace and quiet and just a serene environment. You have some cows around and this is just beautiful. Just standing here looking at it, it's absolutely beautiful. Now to your right, there is an outdoor bathtub, and we didn't get the chance to use this bathtub because we got in late last night, but this would have just been lovely sitting out here just watching the stars and just listening to the critters and everything. And now down close to the fence you have a fire pit where you can sit down and enjoy a warm night outside if it's cold. And by that is also an outdoor dining space which you can cook inside and just bring your food outside, especially in the summer. Now this leads all the way, it's open all the way to the front, and we have a front porch with 2 chairs for you to enjoy coffee or just enjoy the view. The sunset last night was spectacular from the front yard. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I'll put a link to this listing in the description box below, and if you get a chance, if you're ever in the Launceston area, you should book this Airbnb. You will not regret it. Until next time, keep on traveling, dreaming and exploring. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.